We are on our way to our church this morning, and we're excited because this is our first day at the new building. So we're gonna go and enjoy the Lord and have a good time in this new building.
Well, every Christian ought to have a fifth season. Fall, winter, spring, summer, and due season. And when you trust in the name of the Lord, God will show up in due season.
We're leaving the church now, and we had a great time. Great time. Still so excited on a high. And now we're about to head to at home. We're gonna move some rooms around in our house. The downstairs room, which is currently Junior's office, we're gonna make that into a guest bedroom. And we're gonna move his items up into my room, which is currently my creative room. I'm gonna move from that room to a bedroom we've been using as storage. So we have 3 rooms to try to get ready. We're just gonna go to at home just to look around and get some inspiration for some things that we can do for the downstairs bedroom. So that's where we're about to go. What you got to say to the people, baby? It's cold out here.
A little bit. As cold as it was, though.
Didn't feel like wearing our jackets in here. We just took the thing off. But we can be free.
It's warming up.
It's always fun going into these types of stores, but it's even more fun now that we're looking for inspiration for our guest bedroom.
Look at these. Look, baby.
And it never fails. We always get distracted by something in the store. We were trying to figure out what these are.
What do you even do with these?
And if you guys know, let us know.
I don't know. Stack of donuts. That's a light?
I would have a solar thing on it.
Oh, that's cool. Couldn't really tell.
What's the light right there?
Okay, I couldn't really tell what was going on with it.
It's kind of cool. It's solar panel, so it charges it.
Up there, and
shine
then
the light cast behind
that's
it.
kind of cool. I bet that would look good, like on a patio or something, possibly. The pillows. I've always liked these kind of lanterns. No, it's not. That would be pretty for a nightstand. These are nice. Baby, look at this.
Oh, that's solar power. So we can lean against the wall and hang extra blankets or towels and stuff like that.
That would be cute. I'm trying to come up with a color scheme.
Okay, yes, baby. I love you like biscuits and gravy.
Shut up.
That size.
That's for sure.
It sure is. What's this? Oh, okay, they have a collection of mattresses. I didn't know that. Blankets. We're leaving the at-home store.
We came, we saw.
We were inspired.
Once we were back home, we took our dogs out to do their thing. And then we went inside to start our Sunday reset.
Mr. Frank.
Taking care of what God has given us together is a blessing I never take lightly. These routines are what makes our house feel like a home. By the end of it, our house feels lighter, and so do we. I don't know where you guys are watching from, but here locally we have a store called HEB. In the section where they keep the frozen seafood, they have an air fryer catfish. Now it's already breaded and seasoned. All you have to do is just drop it into your air fryer. I will admit it does have a little kick to it, so if you like that kind of thing, it will be perfect for you. But it is good nonetheless, and we do recommend you go out and get you some and try it if you haven't. Cooking together is one of our favorite ways to wind down after a full day. One of us handles the comfort food, and the other makes sure we still get our greens. Another Sunday comes to a peaceful close. Our home is reset, our hearts are full, and we're ready for the week ahead. There's something so satisfying about seeing it all come together. Until next time, keep living with intention, keep walking in faith, and keep living with the Tillmans.